This is a quick test to see if I can get the GOVUK Prototype Kit up and running without the need to install it on your local machine, so that a user can be able to edit, test and see the changes they're making to a GOVUK prototype entirely in the cloud, all in real time with live updates. So I managed to get this working using a service called Stackblitz, which gives you a kind of web container interface to a server and to the kind of front end code all in one sort of single UI. So here you can see I've got a config.js file. This is what's used by the GOVUK Prototyping Kit sort of Node and Express server. In it gives me the option to set a service name, which you can see here. So service name goes here. So if I change this string of text here to something like Stackblitz test, what this is going to do when I press save is it's going to save this file, restart the server in the terminal, and then it's going to reload the kind of rendered screen in the restarted server here in this sort of frame to the right. So press save, and you can now see that that configuration option is now updated all within a split second and available to me. And then if I, for example, change a view, which again is a sort of change to the sort of rendered HTML file that you might want to prototype, so I might want to change the title to just something like hello, press save, and then refresh this browser here. You can now see it says hello. And the advantage of this is that it really should mean that people internally that wish to prototype things but don't have access to an unmanaged machine, or don't have a machine with the right level of admin privileges to install things like the prototyping kit, they should still be able to use the prototyping kit with real HTML and more accessible prototypes without the need for someone else to do it for them, or to not be able to prototype in such high fidelity.